it's your girl milabtumbles and welcome back to another video. So today we are talking all things apps. Yeah, all things apps. As you know, I am an entrepreneur and I own my own mobile tumbling business. And because I am mobile, I'm in my car a lot. So this app is the best app. It helps me track my mileage. It helps me write it off when it comes time for tax season. So without further ado, let's go get into it. We are talking about milage. Yeah, what is that? That is a mileage app that helps track all my mileage, where I am going, where I am not going. And it definitely saves me so much time, energy, and effort when it comes to tax season on writing my mileage off. So, what is milage? milage is $5.99 a month, and I pay that. And I pay it under my business account because I can write that off as well. When you click on the side, there are all these things that list unclassified, all drives, monthly summaries, account settings, so on and so forth. Let's talk about unclassified. Now, once you download this app, you're going to have to put in all your information. And it is an app that determines when your car is in motion and when your car isn't in motion. And unclassified is a category for all unclassified drives. So one thing about the app that I really do enjoy is that you are able to put in locations. And that helps me out a lot, so I'm not having to think about where would this client live at? I went to this gas station, is that what it's pulling up? You don't have to remember any of that. You put in your locations, you click save, and when you drive to that person's house or to that certain location, it tells you where it's at. So if you save the location under Billy Joe and you save another location under Planet Fitness, then every time you drive to that and you look back on where you went, it will pop up as Planet Fitness or Billy Joe's house. So that saves me a lot of energy, time, and effort. So I'm not having to remember, where would this person live again? Why did I go there? Or anything like that. And then it goes to all drives. Now, all drives are all the drives that you have made in the month, in the year. You can specify that as well. And the cool thing about this app is if you swipe left, you're making it a personal drive. And if you swipe right, you're making it a business drive. Now within the personal setting and the business setting, you are then able to really get more specific if you want to. You are able to put in your personal, you can put gas station, you can put groceries, you can put nails, hair. Like, you're able to really categorize everything how you want. Same with business. I mean, you can do like doctor's appointment, babysitting. I mean, there's all these different categories that you're able to list. Another feature that I like about milage is that it tells me an equivalent of a money amount. So not only does it tell me the mileage that I have used so far, but it is equating it to a money amount, which is also very helpful as well. But as far as the mileage goes, it will tell you as soon as you park your car, you'll get an alert that says milage has recorded your 3.5 mile drive. And then once you get that alert, or just really any alerts, you go back into the month and you will have to classify the drives. If you don't classify the drives, they won't count for whatever you're doing. So at the end of each month, what I do is I email the report to myself. Like, I email the monthly report to myself, and I'm able to then record the monthly report of the mileage and the equivocation of the money, and I put it all down in my spreadsheet for my mileage for my business. And then when tax season comes up and my tax accountant's like, hey, you know, you want to write off your mileage, how many miles did you do and where did you do it at? I can just pull it up and be like, okay, for October I did 300.6 miles as far as my business goes. That's how much I've traveled. And then we're able to write it off that way. You are not able to write off gas. You just can't write that off. That's not a thing. But you are able to write off any type of car or automobile that you do use for your business. So keep that in mind. If you are a business owner and you do need transportation and you buy a car with your business money or business account or whatever, it's for your business, you can write that off. Because I use my car for both my personal and my business, I can't write it off. Plus, I've had my car before I started my business. So that's not something I can do. But anything that I do as far as mileage goes, I can write it off for my business. And milaiQ is the perfect app. It keeps me straight, it keeps me together. It is it. So yeah, I enjoy milaiQ. It is an app that it's my go-to app, and that's what I use. So with that being said, you guys are to do like, share, comment. Do not forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. Bye.